Welcome to Inside the True Science, the real science channel. Today, we are going to discuss 8th standard physics. In 8th standard physics, the first chapter is unit and measurements. So, what is the need of a unit? So, in your chapter, in the beginning also, there is given a picture. What is the picture states? The picture states that the students, they are going for the selection of NCC. NCC selection, they need to measure their heights. So how they will measure their heights? For measuring height, there should be a unit, basic unit is needed. So what is the basic unit for the measurement of height? We know very well that in our instrument box also a 15 centimeter scale is there. So first unit we are studying about the quantity length. It is meter. So directly we are studying the quantity is length. For measuring length, the basic unit is meter. So the basic unit of length, basic unit for length, basic unit for measuring length is meter, M-E-T-R-E. It is represented in small m. It is represented in small m. So everywhere we are using this single unit, meter, for measuring the length. So now we will go for another thing. What is 1 meter? If somebody asks you what is 1 meter, then we will explain 1 meter is something that a road is kept in France. Where it is in France? In France, there is a Bureau of Unit and Measurement, International Bureau of Unit and Measurement. There is a road kept in at 0 degrees Celsius. The road is kept at 0 degrees Celsius. There are 2 points in the road. So between that 2 points, the road is made up of platinum and a 10% iridium. Okay, so there is 2 points in the road. So between that 2 points, what is measuring that is 2 points, that is 1 meter. So 1 meter is something that the distance between the 2 points in the road kept at International Bureau of Weight and Measures at France, and the road is made up of platinum and 10% iridium. So that is 1 meter. Another modern expression for 1 meter is related to the speed of light. So 1 meter is something that light travels in vacuum, in the distance traveled by light by the time of 1 divided by 299792458. 299792458 seconds. So 1 second divided by this quantity 299792458. So in this second, how long light travels? So that distance is called 1 meter. So there are 2 definitions for 1 meter. One is related to the road kept in the International Bureau of Weight and Measures in France. In that road, 2 points are there. Between that 2 points, okay, how long that distance between the 2 points, that is called 1 meter. In modern definition, it is related to the speed of light and distance traveled by light in 1 divided by 299792458 seconds. This is more accurate value. This is the most accurate value of 1 meter. Okay, that is a modern definition. Okay, now it is clear for 1 meter what is 1 meter. So now we will go for the smaller units of meter. When you look into a meter scale is 1 meter length, that is called a meter scale. Okay, so when you look into a meter scale, you can see that the meter scale is again divided into smaller units. So which are the common smaller units we use in meter scale? So we will go to that. So now we will go for the smaller units of meter. Okay, so we know that 1 meter, it is represented in one small letter m. See, the symbol is very important. We are using meter, the symbol is small letter m. Okay, and when you see the meter scale, there is subdivisions for 1 meter. So the first subdivision is centimeter. It is represented by small c and small m, centimeter. So 1 centimeter means we are dividing 1 meter into 100. Okay, we are dividing 1 meter into 100 parts. Okay, that is 1 meter is divided by 100. Okay, this we can write in scientific notation that 1 divided by 10 raised to 2. Okay, this you already learned in your lower classes, the scientific notation, that is 10, actually we can write is equal to 10 raised to 1. Okay, and 100 we can write 10 raised to 2, that these two zeros are here. This means after 1 there are 2 zeros. That is the meaning of 10 raised to 2. And 1000 we can write 10 raised to 3. So on. Okay, this is called a scientific notation. So here 100 we are writing in scientific notation 1 divided by 10 raised to 2. Okay, this is 1 and this is 10 raised to 2. When the 10 raised to 2 is in denominator, we can take 10 raised to in the numerator. When it take into the numerator, it is 10 raised to negative 2 meter. 10 raised to negative 2 meter. So this is the first one. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to negative 2 meter. So what is needed? When you want to convert centimeter to meter, you have to multiply the quantity with 10 raised to negative 2. Okay, so 1 centimeter is 10 raised to negative 2. Okay, you have to multiply the quantity with 10 raised to negative 2. So that is the method for converting centimeter to meter. Again, if you want to convert meter into centimeter, then what you needed, you multiply with 10 raised to 2. You multiply with 10 raised to multiply with 100 if you want to convert meter into centimeter. So two things you have to study: centimeter to meter and meter into centimeter. Okay, so that is the thing. Then we will go to the next smaller unit. So next smaller unit is millimeter. So what is a millimeter? When 1 millimeter means 1 meter is divided into 1000. 1 meter is divided into 1000. That is 1 divided by 10 raised to 3. 1 divided by 10 raised to. This we can write written as 10 raised to negative 3 meter. Here also, if you want to convert meter to millimeter, you multiply with 10 raised to negative 3. 10 raised to negative 3. If you want to convert meter into millimeter, you multiply with 10 raised to 3. So that is the idea. So these are the common smaller units of meter. This millimeter you can see in the meter scale, that is between 1 and 2 centimeter there are 10 divisions. So that is millimeter. So again you can divide the centimeter into millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter divided by 10. That is equal to, we can write 10 raised to negative 1 centimeter. 10 raised to negative 1 centimeter. Okay, this is the division. So 1 millimeter divided by 10. 10 divisions are there. So this is conversion of millimeter to centimeter. Okay, this is the conversion. Again, another two units, that is more smaller units. So first one is micrometer. It is called a micrometer. That is a symbol. This is a symbol. This is called mu. This micrometer is represented by this. So 1 micrometer is equal to 1 meter divided by 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means 1 after 6 zeros. This is 10 lakhs. So it is 1 divided by 10 raised to 6, which can be written as 10 raised to negative 6 meter. So 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to negative 6 meter. So where we are using this micrometer? So you know that our carry bag, plastic carry bags. So government regulations are there. In plastic carry bag, the thickness should be minimum 50 microns. So that is, micron means it is micrometer. So for expressing the thickness of the plastic carry bag, we are using this unit, micrometer. Again, another unit is that is nanometer. Nanometer, small letter m, that is 1 nanometer. You know what is nano? Nano means the smallest. The smallest car is called nano car. Okay, the smallest particle is called nanoparticle. So this is also a smallest unit of length, that is nanometer, and 1 nanometer is equal to 1 meter divided by 1 after 9 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros. So that means 1 divided by 10 raised to 9. That is equal to 10 raised to negative 9 meter. So this is 1 nanometer. So today we discussed about meter scale, and I already explained what is a meter scale. So meter scale is a length, basic unit of length, and that length is defined by a rod kept in International Bureau of Weight and Measures in France. There is 2 points between the rod. So the distance between that 2 point is called 1 meter. That rod is kept at 0 degrees Celsius, and the rod is made up of platinum and 10% iridium. Okay, so that is one concept. Another concept is related to the speed of light. Okay, that is 1 meter. Again, we come to the smaller units of length, that is centimeter, that is 1 meter divided by 100, and millimeter, 1 meter divided by 1000, and 1 millimeter again we can divide from 1 centimeter divided by 10, that is also 1 millimeter. Then micrometer, that is 1 meter divided by 10 raised to 6, and nanometer, 1 meter divided by 10 raised to 9. So this is the first class basic unit of length and their smaller units. So one important thing also we have to discuss, that is called the least count. So what is a least count? Least count is the minimum measurement that we can make by a meter scale. So what is the minimum measurement? See, what is the minimum measurement in a meter scale? So meter scale you will see up to here only. This is the measurements in meter scale. So the minimum measurement that you can make by a meter scale is 1 millimeter. So the least count of a meter scale is 1 millimeter. So that is the one more thing we can remind here. The least count of the meter scale is 1 millimeter. Okay, with this I am stopping the class here. Okay, the balance will be taken in the next class. So the higher units of length and units used in the distance, everything we will discuss in the next class.